Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Dogecoin from MetaMask to Kraken in 2025. If you've been holding Dogecoin in your MetaMask wallet and want to move it to Kraken for trading or storage, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but as always with crypto, security is key to avoid any mishaps. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure your MetaMask wallet is set up correctly. Since Dogecoin isn't natively on the Ethereum network like MetaMask, you might be dealing with a wrapped version or have it bridged over. Double check that you have Dogecoin in your wallet and that you're connected to the right network. If not, you may need to use a bridge tool. I'll link some resources in the description. Next, head over to your Kraken account. Log in securely and navigate to the deposit section. Select Dogecoin from the list of cryptocurrencies. Kraken will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy this carefully, as it's case sensitive and any mistake could send your coins into the void. Now, back in MetaMask, open your wallet and select the Dogecoin asset. Click on Send, and paste the Kraken deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, but remember to leave some for gas fees if applicable. Double check everything: the address, the amount, and the network. Once you're confident, hit Confirm and approve the transaction. After that, sit tight. Crypto transactions can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Kraken account for the funds to appear. If you run into issues, like a transaction stuck or incorrect network errors, reach out to Kraken support or check Blockchain Explorers. And there you have it. Your Dogecoin is now safely on Kraken. This 2025 guide keeps things simple and secure, but always stay vigilant in the crypto world. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.